This is my submission for the exception project. We'll just get right into the code. So first thing we have here is going to be the division by zero application, where the user enters a number, an integer, and then enter a second one. The division is calculated and then printed, and if they enter a number or a letter, or something, they'll get an error, and if they enter zero, they will get a divide by zero error. Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. And then next, we have our password verify application, in which we have a few conditions which must be met for a username and password. So a username must start with a capital letter and with a 4-digit code. And for the password, it must start with an exclamation point and contain exactly 8 characters with no numbers. So we can see here we have the code there that sort of, the output here that represents this. So the program runs until it has 4 users entered. This is what that looks like. We have Jack1234, Jack1234 as our username, exclamation trooper, exactly 8 characters successfully created, and so on and so forth. And they are printed out here. Yep, so it's a pretty simple program. This is kind of going over this is the exceptions, for when it is thrown and the user has entered something incorrectly. So here you have the username message and the password message, and here is the conditions that a username and password are valid, and here's where it prints when it's all done. Here's our custom exception that throws the actual exceptions over, and here's our main application where we have our introduction here, and where our user inputs and and basically verifies if it's created or not. And once everything's done, it prints out our message: thank you for choosing Oscorp, because I watched Spider-Man with my girlfriend. So that's pretty much it for Java exceptions. See you next time, I guess.